Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network, and today we're getting our first look at the brand new Baja Designs Squadron 2.0s. These are Baja Designs' newest 3-inch compact light that's been fully redesigned with better looks and improved performance over the original Squadrons. We'll be checking out what all you get inside the box on a set of pros, along with comparing these new lights to a set of the original Squadron Sports that I have in the shop. I chose the clear lens option with the driving combo filter to be used as ditch lights on my 2022 Toyota Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. I chose the Pro option as these are the highest output Squadron 2.0s available. Opening the new style box of the 2.0s, reveal a new display case for your lights, along with a decal and a thank you card displayed above. Inside the box, you'll receive a thank you card complete with QR code for installation instructions, a classic Baja Designs decal, a bag of hardware that includes newly designed brackets and 2 additional 4-pin Deutsch plugs, an all-new Squadron wiring harness complete with 3-position switch for the backlighting feature, and finally, 2 of the Squadron 2.0 Pros. Taking a look at the new Squadron 2.0s, yes, these are the Pros, so a slightly more powerful unit over the Sports. You get an all-new hexagonal quad design light, all-new cast aluminum housing complete with newly designed heat dissipation fins. Here's a look at the lock nut capture point. These new 2.0s don't attach by threads anymore. You have a 3-hole to a lock nut. The attached cord is rubber coated and contains 3 wires up to a 4-pin Deutsch connector, with white and black controlling the power and green wire controlling the backlight feature. The new 2.0 measures 3¼ wide by 3¼ high and right over 3 inches deep. The Pro version has a light output of 5,921 lumens at 65 watts. Being a 41% improvement over the original Squadron Pros. These are IP69 rated for water resistance and have 9 different colors of backlight that's controllable by the switch. Backtracking to the hardware bag, you get all stainless steel hardware with captured tilt screws and lock nuts. No more threading into the cast aluminum housing. And the all-new brackets that have some height adjustments. Here's a compare against the original Squadron brackets. Lastly, the additional 4-pin Deutsch connectors give you all the parts. And here's a compare to the original 2-pin Baja Designs plug from the 1.0s. Taking a closer look at the wiring harness, you get a larger 3-position switch that'll allow you to use the backlight feature of the new 2.0s. A 12-volt 40-amp relay, a new plug for the switch, and the all-new 4-pin Deutsch connectors. One main question I had was how the backlight feature will be connected, and you get a splicing adapter here on the yellow wire that can be tapped into your headlights or daytime running lights to automatically be on when activated. You can also wire the yellow wire up to a switch controller like the S-Pod. Comparing the 2.0 Squadrons with the original, you immediately see the size difference, both from the box they came in to the size of the actual light. Side by side, the 2.0s are about 3/8 inch larger in both height and width. The hexagonal shaped pods of the 2.0 appear to be the size difference over the round 1.0 pods. Looking at the sides, you can also see an improvement of not just the heat dissipation fins being extended, but shaped in a Y format versus the 1.0's straight fin design. Also mentioned on the 1.0's threaded hole for mounting, where the 2.0 just has an opening for the captured lock nut. I do have my old 1.0s outfitted with 2-pin Deutsch connectors, but here you see the original Baja Designs plugs compared to the 2.0's 4-pin Deutsch connector. Well, that's it. My unboxing and quick comparison of the new Baja Designs Squadron 2.0 LED lights. But what are your thoughts? Are you Team Clear or Team Amber? Drop those comments on down below. As always, if you like the video, there's a button for that, and subscribe, it's free. Lastly, my name is Rich. Thanks for watching.